And my biggest question always, cannabis for menopause. So here's what we know, what menopause is, as women enter their late 30s, 40s, our estrogen levels start to drop. And when they get to a certain point, you stop menstruating, you're in menopause. So there's a lot of changes going on in the body at that time. So menopause is associated with these dropping estrogen levels, but also decreased endocannabinoid levels and decreased receptor expression, which is the number of receptors available for the cannabinoids to work on. So these changes in the endocannabinoid system can be the contributing factors of menopause for things like hot flashes, mood changes, changes in sleep patterns. They are, doing more research on this and seeing, hey, it's not just the estrogen levels, but the endocannabinoid levels, which are tied up, as we talked about, with those estrogen levels. So they may be contributing that. So, 30%, and also 30% of women over 50 have osteoporosis. And we know decreased estrogen is associated with osteoporosis. It's also associated with reduced CB2, which is another one of the cannabinoid receptors. So reduced cannabinoid receptor expression and signaling. So when those receptors aren't functioning as they should, they're supposed to be involved in healthy bone formation. When they're not functioning as they should, they're contributing to osteoporosis. So another issue for menopausal women that cannabis can be supportive. So I really think it can be an effective adjunctive treatment, meaning like a helpful side treatment alongside hormones. A lot of this stuff you're gonna, if you're having these symptoms, don't just try treating it with cannabis. Definitely speak to your gynecologist. Take a look at your hormones. There could be some work you can do with adjusting your hormones that could really improve these symptoms, and then use cannabis for those other breakthrough symptoms. However, if you're someone who can't use hormones, cannabis could be that first line treatment for you for some of these symptoms. So, think about it. And again, when it comes to this too, it's the same theme when it comes to these women's health conditions, using CBD as a supplement and then adding THC as a specific symptom management tool on top of that. So, you might be using CBD to help with that endocannabinoid system and support your endocannabinoid system, but you're also using THC for a little mood elevation or to help you sleep. I have several patients that on a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1 CBD to THC have done really well reducing their hot flashes. So we need more research, but it's certainly something worth checking out. And, just because it can help with all of these things, potentially helping with hot flashes, mood, and sleep, joint pain, bone health. I think it's a good substance to think about including into your wellness regimen if you're a menopausal or premenopausal woman like me. So try it.